Broken or cracked flapper chains are a sneaky reason your toilet might keep running or have a weak flush, and fixing it is way easier than you think. So, here's the deal. First, check if your flapper chain is tangled or too long. That can stop the flapper from sealing properly. If it's broken or cracked, grab a replacement chain from any hardware store. They are super cheap and simple to swap out. When you install the new chain, make sure it has just enough slack so the flapper can fully close but not so loose it won't lift when you flush. Also, double check that the flapper itself isn't warped or dirty because that can mess with the seal too. If you notice water keeps leaking into the bowl after flushing, that's a dead giveaway the chain or flapper needs attention. Don't forget to test flush a few times to make sure everything moves smoothly without sticking. If you're ever unsure about the parts, bring the old chain with you when buying a new one. It helps match the size perfectly. Lastly, keeping an eye on your toilet's flush system every few months can save you from annoying leaks and higher water bills. One of the biggest problems with flapper chains causing poor flushes is having the chain too tight, which keeps the flapper lifted and wastes water. Fixing this means loosening the chain so the flapper closes fully. Another common issue is a worn out or cracked chain that snaps mid-flush, making the toilet run constantly. Simply replacing the chain with a fresh one solves this fast. Lastly, many people forget to adjust the chain length after installing a new flapper, which can cause weak flushes or incomplete sealing. Just tweak the chain length until you get a solid flush every time. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people needing repairs and upgrades in their homes.